Hello and welcome to my short fair presentation. I want to show you some basic steps in our AutoCAD application SYSCAD, and I hope you have fun. The first stage of SYSCAD is about detailing. First we choose the profile system. I stay with the supplier Shiko. Choose the system, maybe AWS 17. And here we have the library of the profile system with all frame profiles. I choose the frame profile, insert it in the drawing. I can double click the profile, enclose the profile, choose the glass thickness, the kind of glass, type with a glazing bed open contour or round contour. With a double click I change the kind of filling, double click on it and change the glazing. Okay, with a double click I can denominate the profile. With a double click I get some profile info. I insert a TM profile. Double click on it, glaze it on the left side, on the right side, on both sides. Glaze it on the left side. It's always the same. You play with profiles with our program. I insert a TM profile again. Choose a vent profile. Maybe that one. Okay. Combine the vent profile on the left side. No, I didn't glaze the TM profile, but I glazed the vent profile. Okay. And with a normal AutoCAD command, mirror, I get a complete section. You play with profiles in AutoCAD. The next job is to draw some wall attachment. I choose the command for a wall. Here's the wall, 110 millimeters. Okay, let's start here. 200 millimeters long in this direction. I can double click and change my wall. Double click, 100 millimeters, and so on. Let's insert our prototype drawing for some colors in my drawing. I insert a membrane. Thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, from this point 50 millimeters to that point, to that point. Okay. I can double click and change my membrane. Can change the thickness. I can draw some insulation. I draw hard insulation from that point, 100 millimeters. Okay. Draw some plaster. No, not in that way. This kind of plaster, 50 millimeters from that point. Okay. And again, with a double click and can change my plaster, can change my wall, and change my insulation. I draw some foam tape. This type of foamed tape, rectangular, from that point to that point. Choose another kind of foam tape. Okay. Ready. In our part library, we have some frame anchors. I choose the one from Fisher, maybe that one. I denominate the frame anchor. Double click on it, change the shorter one. The denomination is changed too. With the denomination, can denominate the wall, the insulation, and the plaster. That's the first stage of our program. You play with profiles for windows, doors, and curtain walls, and you draw the wall attachments with intelligent functions inside your AutoCAD. The second stage is about drawing elevations. You choose your profile system, and with the command Turbo View, you draw some elevations. I choose 3 width, a total width of 3200, and the partition is from left to right. 1000 millimeters the first, 1200 millimeters the second. I have 3 heights, a total height of 2800 from bottom to top. I choose the left profile, maybe this one. The frame is mid-cut. The TM profile is this one. It's vertical continuous. I assign a fixed light, and this is my elevation. I choose the class. Okay. This CAD generates elevations like you want, dimensioned with your dimension style and with your text. All adjustable in the SYSCAD variable. For example, the text for the turbo view could be and the text on the sections, here we are, could be vent and class and frame and section. Go to save. I delete the turbo view, recall the program, insert the new elevation, and here we are. With a double click on the filling, I change the kind of filling. I choose a window, tilt and turn right, with this vent profile, with this glass thickness, with this kind of glass. Choose the fitting, AWS surface mounted. Okay. these colors. Choose the command section in true glass length. And here we have the section. With the command cut position, you have the opportunity to generate a part list into your drawing or into Excel. I choose the command to draw the part list into my drawing. This is my part list. Here we have some field numbers or profile numbers, the article number, the denomination, the pieces, the cut lengths, the angles. We have the accessories, the gaskets, the parts, the fittings, and the fillings. Okay, SYSCAD is detailing and drawing of elevations, generate sections, and generate part lists, cut lists, glass lists, and so on. Here we have the glass list, tabular form. You work with profiles, you draw profiles with a so-called turbo view or with the function frame. You draw profiles like you draw lines. I draw a door, opening out door, 2200, 1200 millimeters, 2200. Right click, open. This is my profile. I can insert the article number. Here we have the article number. Choose the command filling. Choose a door opening out with this vent profile, with this bottom rail, with this variant. Choose this one. Choose the class. Choose my door hinge. And this variant with this color. Choose 3 per leaf. OK. Choose sections. Yeah, repeat it please. And again, here is my part list. If you have questions, please ask. You could find us on the fair in Nuremberg. You're welcome. Thank you.